What's inside? Lonely Planet kids seek and find cities. A globe-trotting adventure. It's quite a good book. It's kind of like a Where's Wally for kids. And his cat and his bird. And you go around the world looking for cat and bird in different places. There's also things to spot in each different location. It's quite a fun activity to do with kids. I'd recommend getting this book. It's quite a fun activity. And the great thing is that it's got answers at the back. And lots of things to do, like spotting flags and other landmarks while you travel around the world. And there's the answers.